Hello everyone, welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a winning IT or information technology resume, and I'm going to guide you step by step through every section so you clearly understand what to write, why it matters, and how to make your resume stand out in a competitive tech job market. Let's begin with a simple definition. An IT resume is a professional document that highlights your technical skills, experience, certifications, and achievements. Its purpose is to show employers that you can solve technical problems, maintain systems, support users, and improve efficiency. A winning IT resume is not just about listing tools, it's about proving impact, results, and reliability. Now let's go through each section carefully. Check this out. Header. Name and contact information. We'll start with the header, which is the first thing employers see. What you should write here is your full name, address or location, phone number, professional email, and LinkedIn profile. Here is the full sample header. Brandon Lewis, 5298 Northview Drive, Seattle, Washington 98115. Phone 206-555-7642. Email brandon.lewis@email.com. LinkedIn linkedin.com/in/BrandonLewisIT. Now let's explain this clearly. Your name should be clear and easy to read because it represents your professional identity. Your location helps employers know if you are local or available to relocate. Your phone number and email must be correct and professional because this is how recruiters contact you. Your LinkedIn profile is very important in IT roles because it shows your professional presence and sometimes even projects or endorsements. Why this section matters. If your contact information is unclear or incorrect, you may miss job opportunities. Winning tip. Always use a professional email and double-check all details. Professional summary. Next is the professional summary, which gives a quick overview of your experience and strengths. What to write here is your years of experience, your core technical abilities, and the value you bring. Here is the full sample professional summary. Results-oriented IT professional with 6+ years of experience supporting, maintaining, and optimizing IT systems in fast-paced environments. Skilled in troubleshooting hardware and software issues, managing networks, and ensuring system security. Proven ability to reduce downtime, improve efficiency, and provide excellent technical support to end users. Now let's break this down sentence by sentence. The first sentence highlights your experience level and the environments you've worked in. The second sentence focuses on your key technical skills. The third sentence shows your results and impact, which is very important in IT. Why this section is important? Recruiters often scan this first to quickly decide if you're a good fit. Winning tip. Focus on results and avoid vague statements. Technical skills. Now we move to one of the most critical sections for IT roles, the technical skills section. What to write here is a clear and organized list of your technical knowledge. Here is the full sample. Operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Networking, TCP/IP, DNS, DHCP, VPN. Hardware, installation, configuration, and troubleshooting. Software, Microsoft 365, Active Directory, Office Suite. Tools, ServiceNow, Jira, Remote Desktop, VMware. Security, antivirus management, firewall configuration, access control. Other, help desk support, ticketing systems, system upgrades. Let's explain this. Each category groups related skills together, making it easy for recruiters to scan. You show both breadth and organization, which is very important in IT. Why this section matters. Many companies use automated systems to scan for keywords, and this section helps you pass those filters. Winning tip. Always match your skills with the job description when applying. Professional experience. This is the most important section of your IT resume because it shows what you can actually do. Current role. IT support specialist. Northstar Technologies, Seattle, Washington. March 2021 to present. Now let's go through the bullet points carefully. Provide technical support to 200 plus users, resolving hardware, software, and network issues. This shows scale and responsibility. Reduced average ticket resolution time by 30% through improved troubleshooting processes. This is a strong, measurable achievement. Managed user accounts, permissions, and security settings in Active Directory. This highlights system administration skills. Installed, configured, and maintained desktops, laptops, and peripheral devices. This shows hands-on technical work. Assisted in network maintenance, including VPN setup and connectivity troubleshooting. This demonstrates networking knowledge. Documented support procedures to improve team efficiency and knowledge sharing. This shows teamwork and process improvement. Why this section is powerful. It combines responsibilities with measurable impact. Previous role: Help Desk Technician. Pacific IT Solutions, Tacoma, Washington, June 2019 to February 2021. Sample responsibilities: Responded to 40-plus daily support tickets via phone, email, and ticketing system. Diagnosed and resolved technical issues related to operating systems and applications. Escalated complex problems to senior IT staff when necessary. Assisted with system upgrades, software installations, and routine maintenance. Why this matters. It shows your foundation in IT support and your ability to handle high workloads. Education. Next is the education section. Here is the full sample. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. University of Washington, Seattle, Washington. Graduated May 2019. GPA 3.5 over 4.0. What to write here includes your degree, university, location, graduation date, and GPA if it's solid. Why this section is important. It shows your academic background and technical foundation. Certifications. Now let's look at certifications, which are very valuable in IT. Here is the full sample. CompTIA A plus certification, 2022. CompTIA Network plus certification, 2023. Microsoft Certified, Azure Fundamentals, 2023. Why this matters. Certifications prove your technical knowledge and commitment to learning. Winning tip: always include recent and relevant certifications. Key achievements. This section highlights your biggest accomplishments. Improved system uptime to 99.9% through proactive maintenance. Recognized as Top IT Performer, 2023. Led workstation upgrade project for 150-plus employees. Why this is powerful. It shows real results and leadership, which employers value highly. Professional skills. Now we move to soft skills. Problem solving and troubleshooting. Communication and customer support. Time management and multitasking. Team collaboration, attention to detail. Why this matters. IT is not just technical, you also need to communicate and work with people. References. Finally, we end with available upon request. This keeps your resume clean and professional. So, that's how you write an IT resume step by step. To make your IT resume truly winning, focus on measurable results, organize your technical skills clearly, and always tailor your resume to the job you're applying for. Show not just what you know, but what you have achieved using that knowledge. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching Writing Tutorials.